Hey, Red Burn, it's some kind of busy in my radio, which is sounding good, my friend, while you're cruising through the bayou. Red Burn, 5-1, back out again.
Yeah, and I got down. Like they said,
Old Man Bluebeard and the Big Horn, 51 Virginia. You got conditions? Old Man Bluebeard, 51 Virginia. One Virginia. Hey, Bluebeard be 5-1 Virginia. Old Man Bluebeard 5-1 around this love country. Bluebeard, have a good night. The Lady Pappy Day right back that way. Hey, Bluebeard, sounding good out of Houston. 5-1 said a big old good evening. Enjoy your Sunday. Hey, Bluebeard, a big old holiday 4th of July wave your way this time. Bluebeard, 5-1 Virginia, we listening. Hey, you have a good night out that way, Bluebeard, and I sure appreciate the shout. Bluebeard, round Houston, 5-1, getting out of the way. Hey, I hear you there, Red Burn. You still sounding good in Virginia. Red Burn, 5-1 Love Country, back listening.
Good afternoon, 5-1. Good afternoon, 5-1. 1104.
Hello, my friend, 1104. Good evening, my friend. You still sounding good like always. Hey, 1104, I like the way you clean my radio.
I stand for that 5-1. I turned it on there. You want to put my this channel here. Got that 47. That cat will wave and hey, 51 and we catch you later.
I sure do, 1104. I don't know where they're at tonight, but they'll crawl out there eventually. Take care, 1104, 51. We'll talk to you. Hey, 1104, they're my neighbors and I can't hear them. That's how bad the skip is on my radio. Hey, 1104, it's rough and tough, but I'm glad you key up from time to time. 51 back out of the way. Need that radio cleaned up. I don't charge my friend for cleaning it up. Hey, well, right? I'm sure glad you don't. Take care, 1104. We'll catch you in a little bit, 51. See you, Cat. Your wine's been in the house. That's 5-1 Virginia. Didn't mean to make noise in the band, but we're glad we did. 51 Love Country. Go ahead. Hello out there, 5-1. Long time no see. You should say Slidell, Louisiana. That's where you're talking now. Louisiana, I hear that, Red Burn. Come in there loud and stuff, Mr. Burn. And who was that said it's been a long time? Come on in here at 51. Let's go. 1104 is cruising through the bayou there tonight there. 1104. He's got plumb out of Texas there. Shoot. I'll let you shout at him and get out of the way. Try him again, 1104, using him keyed together.
You say we keyed up together?
Yeah, 10-4. Yeah, try him again, 1104, you keyed up together.
10-4. Hey, Red Baron, 1104 trying to get in your radio. I did hear you when he was talking to 51, and I didn't hear you when he came back to me. 51, 1104 in Central Texas. 1104, we got a copy of you down here around Southern Louisiana. 1104 in the Big Horn, Red Baron in the big one you got down.
He come right back to you, 1104.
Damn, I can't, I cannot get it. I got too much noise. Hey, 51, and we'll step back.
Hey, Red Baron, 1104 said he appreciated the shot there. He's got a whole lot of noise in this radio. Hey, Red Baron, that 1104 waving that big hand. Take care, Red Baron, 51, getting back out of the way. He's waving a big old hand there, 1104. He was like you. He'd hear you in there part of the time, Roger. Hey, Red Baron, tell my friend 47 to put some fire on the wire. 51 back out.
Exactly, you do it like that. 47. Bye. 518, man, that moon's going plug around the phone. Man, by Herman, great top of the city doing your thing. Yeah, go ahead out there. There's nobody but over back with Texas trying to read that nail.
I don't know about your radio 1104, but mine sure is noisy. 51, reading this mail.
Boy, you no doubt about it. I'm still reading the mail.